Let's start then. Here it is, our math today's. This is the meeting 7. We are going to learn about the written expression questions. Next, in these ones, we might look at the different format of a question. So we are going to find which the mistake, if it's A or B or C or D. So between A, B, C, D here, there is a mistake. So we have to find which one is the mistake, whether A, B, C, or D. Let's see, and let's have a little warm up here about this sentence. Colorful rock formations is found in Haleakala crater. Okay. A, B, C, or D here, there's a mistake. Colorful rock formation is found in Haleakala's crater. Okay, which
Double
one?
B is in.
Yeah, so which one is the mistake? A, B, C, or D?
Mm,
Okay, so in this one, you don't find the subject, you don't find the verb. There's subject, there's a verb, but
C,
there's mistake.
A, B, C.
Okay, C from Miss Anna. All right, what about Ibu Dewi and Mr. Ari and Mr.
Hmm,
Dodi? Yeah, Ibu Dewi.
maybe colorful. A.
Okay, A from Ibu Dewi. All right, Mr. Ari, if you have any other different answer.
See, in,
Yes. Oh, sorry, what is it again?
see, in,
C in. Okay, C in. And then Mr. Dodi, maybe another answer from
So
you.
the question, ma'am,
The
so the
question is
question,
here. Colorful rock formations is found in Haleakala crater. So A or B or C or D here, there is a mistake. Ada kesalahan. So kesalahannya ada di A atau B atau C atau D. It's just like that.
kalau L harus.
D,
A?
D.
Oh,
Okay.
B tuh B-nya ini salah. Was font.
Ah,
B.
yeah. Okay, you know the
B or
answer?
D.
B or D. All right. Let's see. Colorful rock formations.
Was font.
So it is plural, more than one. If it's more than one,
Oh,
you have to use is or are.
R, R,
R.
R, R. Are.
Should are, yeah, it should be are.
Ah,
Colorful rock formations are found in Haleakala's crater. So the answer is B. B is the answer. Okay, it should be are, right? We have already got the subject. Subject is already there. Verb is there. But kesalahannya, it just the use. Harusnya because it is for plural. Okay, this is the example. In this example, you should notice that singular verb does not agree with the plural subject formation. Does not agree means tidak berkesinambungan dengan subjeknya. Subjek tidak berkesinambungan dengan verbnya. The plural verb are should be used with a plural subject. Yeah, you should click on the word is to answer this question because is not correct. This is a procedure for the written expression question. First, look at the underlined words. Yeah, and then they will be A, B, C, D. And then if you have able to find the error, if you found the error, you can underline the expression, okay? And you can choose the answer. Okay, here it is, the skills that we are going to learn today. Skill 11, agreement after prepositional phrases, and then 12, agreement after expressions of quantity, and 13 is agreement after certain words. Okay, let's see what it is about. Skill 11 first, subject, verb should agree with each other. Jadi harus berkesinambungan. Jadi subjeknya dan verbnya itu saling support satu sama lain. Okay, some of the subject verbs agreement here. We have subject, verbs, prepositional phrases, expression of quantity, certain words. That's for letter. We'll see the first module here. If the subject of a sentence is singular, then the verb is singular. Single verb, singular subject, plural subject, plural verb as well. Example. We have two different sentences here. The rabbit sleeps at night. Rabbit here, it is only one rabbit. Just one.
Singular.
Okay? Yeah, because it's only one, you have to use sleeps. Sleeps. The rabbit sleeps at night. And then the next one here, the rabbit is more than one. Karena rabbitsnya banyak, berarti nggak perlu S lagi. Sama seperti she, he, it. She, he, it ya. She, he, it here diikuti dengan verb yang belakangnya menggunakan S. She sleeps. She eats. He takes. He writes. And then, kalau bukan she, he, it, berarti kan subjeknya lebih dari satu. Okay? For example, they eat. They take. They write. Seperti itu. Jadi kalau subjeknya satu dan itu orang ketiga, kita menggunakan S di belakang verb. Tapi kalau subjeknya lebih dari satu, seperti rabbits ini, S tidak diperlukan lagi untuk verbnya. It's actually the basic one. Okay, going to the next one. Agreement after prepositional phrases. Okay. Now in this one we have subject, but it is inserted with prepositional phrase. Jadi ada insertnya, diimbuhi sesuatu di antara subjek dan verbnya. We have prepositional phrase, preposisi. Let's see the example here. The books on the table are mine. Bukunya lebih dari satu ya, buku lebih dari satu. Oke, di sini lebih dari satu. Oh, terus di sisi B, on the table. On the table. Table-nya oke, table, mejanya cuma satu di sini. Tapi yang kita bicarakan itu bukunya. Jadi kita menggunakan are. The books on the table are mine. The books on the table are mine. Karena on the table ini kan preposisi seperti yang saya katakan sebelumnya. Preposisi itu sunnah. The books are mine. The books on the table are mine. Jadi yang kita lihat itu bukunya, subjeknya. Bukan table-nya. Karena table itu hanya preposisi atau kata pelengkap. Menunjukkan deskripsi. The books on the table are mine. And then next, we have this one. if the object of prepositional is singular and the subject is plural, or if the object of preposition is plural and the subject is singular, there can be problem in making the subject and verb agreement. Let's see what it is about. So there's an example. The door to the rooms are locked. The doors to the room is locked. So I'm going to ask you, are these sentences correct? Apakah benar?
Incorrect.
Correct? Correct?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Yeah. It is incorrect because we have to talk about the door. That's why it should be agree with the door. The door is only
Is
one. It should use. Yes,
locked.
is. Door to the room is locked, so it should be is. The doors to the room
or
Are locked.
are locked. Yeah. The doors to the room are locked. So we talk about the doors, not the room. Even though the room is more than one or just one, the matter thing is the door. Okay. Well, nice. Do you have any questions? No question, I see. If no question, uh, let's do the exercise here. Number one here, I think it's already been answered or not. Number one, the subject of the lectures was quite interesting. Is it correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct.
Yeah. The subject. So we talk about the subject, right? Not the lectures.
Incorrect.
Ah, the subject was.
Lecture.
I shouldn't use this one. Let me just use the course book. Yes. This subject of the lecture. So lecture here is a preposition. Preposition sunnah. Kalau dihapus tidak masalah. The supplies for the camping trip needs to be packed. It's incorrect. Why is it incorrect?
Lecture.
Number
Plural.
yes, it is need because supplies here more than one, so it is plural. Supplies need to be picked, packed. 3. Okay, let's see if it's correct or incorrect.
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 The chairs under the
Plural.
table in the dining room,
Ah,
correct
Are.
or yes,
are
it is are.
Are. Incorrect.
or
Are, yeah, it's incorrect. We talk about the chairs more than one. Number 4.
correct.
Okay, correct. The players on the winning team in the competition put. Yes, correct. Players.
Correct.
Yeah, and then we have put.
Correct.
So it is correct.
Correct.
Yeah, okay. It's correct. Number 5 now. The food for the guests at the
Correct.
party.
Food
Is
Correct.
food.
Food. Food are. The food is.
And what about are here? We have are.
Correct.
incorrect. The
Correct.
Correct. Incorrect.
is
Incorrect.
Is.
Yeah,
The
Correct.
food is.
incorrect. Yeah, it should be is. Oh yeah, I need to tell you that makanan itu tidak bisa dihitung. Jadi kita selalu pakai is. Makanan itu maksudnya sama seperti gula, sama seperti air, sama seperti
nasi.
susu. Ya, tidak bisa dihitung. Makanya kita pakai is. Sesuatu yang tidak bisa dihitung, pakainya is. Okay, number 6. The cost of the clothes was higher than I had expected.
Correct.
Correct, yeah.
Correct.
Because we have cost and was correct. 7. Max in front of the row.
Correct.
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 Correct, yes, easy. And then 8, the waiters and waitresses.
Incorrect.
Yeah. It should be. Why is incorrect?
Correct 9.
Serve.
Yeah, it serves.
Not less.
Serve, yeah, serve without S. And then 9, the lights in the corner of the room need to be kept on all night.
Correct.
Correct.
Correct. Ya, we have lights. Lights itu bukan cahaya, tapi lampu.
Need.
Lampu need.
Need.
Ya, punya lebih
Correct.
dari satu. And then we have 10. The meeting of the members of the council begins at 3 in the afternoon.
Correct.
I'm sorry, what is it again?
Incorrect.
Lines.
Meeting.
The meeting. Correct.
Yeah, it is correct.
Correct.
Because
Correct.
meeting, it's
Yeah,
only one
meeting
meeting.
lines.
Begins. Okay, so it's manageable and I don't have any problem in doing this exercise. Okay, then we go to the skill 12.
Nilai kita kemarin udah belum ya, Miss?
What is it? I'm sorry. Mr.
Nilai
Alex,
tes,
yes?
nilai
Result the test.
Oh iya.
Oh, the result. Yeah, it's already sudah ada. Should I give it to you or is it privately in the end of the term?
Give it to us. It's okay.
So we have to test ya. Ada 2 kali tes. Tes yang kedua tuh bakal dilaksanakan tanggal 15 ya. Tanggal 15 Desember nanti. Jadi akan langsung saya kasihkan saja nanti dua-duanya melalui privately, of course. So no one will be going to see your test result. Okay, that one was the first test, and then you will also have the second test in the end of the class, and it will be given. If you want to know, I'll just tell it to you. But there will be what is it? Official achievement report. Jadi akan ada achievement report resmi nanti bakal dibagikan. Okay. Now we go to number skill 11, and then we have skill 12. Okay, let's see, we have done that before. Now we go to skill 12. The skill 12 is agreement after expression of quantity. Agreement after expressions of quantity, let's see what it is about. So we have this kind of expression of quantity, right? A particular agreement problem occurs when the subject is an expression of quantity like all, most, or some, a few, a little, all semua, most kebanyakan, some beberapa, few sedikit. Okay, vast itu majority, and then there are some other expressions that we have to know, followed by position of. In this situation, the subject all, most, or some can be singular or plural depending what follows the preposition of. Jadi, kata-kata all, most, some ini bisa diikuti dengan plural ataupun singular. Nah, terus verbnya gimana nanti? Kita lihat. Subject-verb agreement here. We have almost, some, half, part, a few, a little of the object verb. When an expression of quantity using of is the subject, the verbs agree with the object. Jadi kita tidak melihat ini, almost some-nya, tapi kita melihat objeknya. Let's see, here is the example. Most of the meal was delicious. Jadi kita tidak melihat most, kita melihat objek atau subjeknya di sini. Ya, kalau tadi kan yang skill 11 kan gini. The books on the
Are
table are mine. Nah, kita tidak melihat yang setelah preposisi, tapi kita melihat bukunya. Kalau yang ini beda, kita melihat yang setelah preposisi. Meal. Nih,
was.
kita melihat bendanya.
Where?
Ini kan cuma ekspresi quantity saja. Most, some, all. Jadi kita melihat benda yang real thing. Of the meal was delicious. Okay, that was singular, and then most of the meals were delicious. That is plural. Most of the food was delicious. Accountable. Most of the food was delicious. So it is accountable. Food itu tidak bisa dihitung. Sama seperti air. Most of the water is contaminated. Sudah terkontaminasi. So I got this example. Most of the apple is rotten.
Was.
Busuk. Okay, was bisa, is juga bisa. The difference between is and was cuma past tense sama present tense. And then we have also most of the apples are rotten.
Are.
Ya, were juga bisa. Were or are. Most of the apple is rotten. Most of the apples are rotten. Dua-duanya bisa, tapi konteksnya berbeda. Misalnya, kalau yang pertama ini, saya punya satu apel. Most of the apple is rotten. Satu apel, sebagian besar dari sisi satu apel itu sudah busuk. Most of the apple is rotten. Terus yang kedua ini, untuk yang kalimat kedua, konteksnya saya punya sekeranjang apel, pasti keranjangnya lebih dari satu apelnya ya. Dan di sekeranjang itu, kebanyakan apelnya sudah busuk. Yang belum busuk cuma sedikit. So that's the difference of the context. We can use is or are, it depends on the context. Okay. And next we have some more exercise, a little exercise here. Exercise 12. Half of the students in the class arrive early. That's correct, right? Half of the students arrived early. We have arrived, no need S in the end. That's why it is correct. And then we have number 2. Some of the fruit are rotten. Okay, why is it incorrect?
Correct.
Correct.
Fruits or is
Fruit is uncountable.
Arrives
some fruits
as
are
fruits.
rotten or some fruit is rotten.
Is.
Yeah, we have two
Is
option.
rotten.
Yeah. Yeah, we have two option. We can say some fruits are rotten or
Fruit
some
are
is
fruits
rotten.
is.
Yeah, we got two option. Kita punya pilihan mau tambah fruitsnya yang tambah S atau R-nya yang diganti dengan is. Okay, next. Number 3 now. All of the next chapter contains very important information.
Oh, itu
Correct.
terus ya.
Correct.
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 Incorrect.
Yeah, it's correct.
Correct ya?
Correct. Yes, all of the next chapter. So there's one chapter. One
One.
chapter mengandung contains with S. So it is correct. Yeah, chapter contains. And then number 4. Most of the people in the room is paying attention.
Correct.
Correct.
Hmm. Do you think it's correct? Let's see. People and the room
Are
and is.
persons. People are.
People.
Ah,
People is.
what about people? Most of the people. So they are a ballroom and the people are a lot of people there.
Are paying attention.
Yeah, are
Playing.
paying.
Playing. Okay, S.
So it is the problem is the is.
Are
Is.
It should be are. Harusnya are.
Are.
Most of the people are paying attention. Most of the people are. So we have person and we have people. Person itu satu orang. She is the person. They are the people. Ya, person satu, people banyak.
banyak.
Okay, and the number 5, part of the soup is left
So
on the
Alright.
stove.
wait. People's nggak pakai S ya, people's gitu.
Uh,
No.
so we have satu orang in Indonesia. Satu
Oh,
orang sama dengan person. Sorry. So be person.
people's.
Lebih dari satu orang itu people.
People's nothing, nggak ada. People.
So person use is, the person is happy. People are happy.
Oke.
Okay, I'm a person. Saya ini seorang orang. I'm a person. We are people.
Oke, thank you, Miss.
Alright. Sama seperti feet and foot. Tooth and teeth. Satu gigi, gigi banyak. Satu kaki, dua kaki. Foot, feet, tooth, teeth. You should learn also about that. And number 5, part of the soup is left on the stove.
Correct.
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 Ah, yes, it's
Alright.
correct because it's
Correct.
bakso. Yeah, correct. And the number 6, some of the movie were just too violent for me.
Incorrect. Was.
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Yes,
Was.
should be, yeah, because it's only one movie. Yes, correct. Movie was. Okay, we go to number 7.
Incorrect.
All of the details in the report.
Need.
The report
Need.
to be.
Need.
Yeah, it's just need, yeah, because details.
Need.
Incorrect. And 8, most of the money is needed to pay the bills.
Correct.
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 Ah,
Consist.
money using is, yeah. Even though in Indonesia we think that money can be counted, but in English it's uncountable.
Uncountable.
9, the first half of the class consists of lecture and note-taking.
Correct.
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 Yeah, correct. Because it is class. One class consists.
Class.
You know, first half is first half. 1,5. First half. Okay, number 10. Some of the questions on the test was impossible to answer.
Incorrect. Were.
Incorrect. Where?
Yeah, it should be were. Some of the questions were impossible to answer. All right, so far, do you have any question about the skill 12? No question, I see.
Yes.
Not yet. No question, we go to skill 13. Skill 13 is agreement after certain words. Agreement after certain words. Okay, let's see. Certain words in English are always grammatically singular, although they might have plural meanings. Everybody in theater are watching the film attentively. Is it correct or incorrect? This sentence.
Incorrect.
Correct.
Yes.
Is
What?
wait is watching.
Everybody correct. Or watch.
Correct. Everybody is singular.
Incorrect. Is watching.
Yeah. So here it is, certain words. Certain words here. Everybody is part of the certain words. Certain itu khusus. Nah, kata-kata khusus itu selalu singular. Singular. Karena singular kita pakainya harusnya bukan are, tapi is. Everybody is watching. Everybody in the theater is watching the film attentively. Attentively itu dengan seksama, dengan teliti. Everybody in the theater is watching. Everybody is here. You don't say everybody are here, but is here. This one, some of the certain words, kata-kata khusus, anybody, anyone, anything, everybody, everyone, everything, nobody, no one, nothing, somebody, someone, something. Yeah, each, every, okay? Each student, every day is great. You don't say every day are great. Each student is smart. Jadi, if you have this word each itu setiap, every juga setiap, diikutinya dengan singular noun. Singular. Each student, each day, every day. You don't say every day is right, but every day. Every person. Not every people, but every person. Every. Okay. If you have any, every, some, each, that is followed with the singular verb. Jadi kalau misalnya anybody is here, is anybody here, everybody is here, everybody is listening, nobody loves me, somebody loves you, and many other.
Miss Rama, excuse me. Which one is correct? Are watching in the example, everybody in the theater are watching or is watching?
Is
Which one
watching.
is watching?
Is watching. Yeah, is watching. Okay, I'll repeat again. These certain words, every kan certain words ya. Kata-kata khusus. Kata-kata yang sudah ada di tabel ini, mereka menggunakan is atau was atau verb yang ditambah s belakangnya. Everybody sleeps, everybody eats. Oke. Karena mereka adalah singular di sini, singular. Okay, any other question? Okay, no, I guess.
No question.
That's clear.
If no question, it's clear. If it's clear, let's go to the exercise 13. We'll do it together. Number 1, anybody are welcome at the party. Of course, is incorrect, yeah? It should be. Okay, number 1, how should it be?
Is.
Anybody
is
welcome.
at the party.
Yeah. Okay, anybody is welcome at the party. And then number 2, no one here is afraid of skydiving. Yeah, it is correct. Because we have no one plus is. Okay, and then number 3. Let's see if it's correct or incorrect.
Correct.
Correct.
Correct means.
Yeah, it is correct because everyone plus needs.
Loves.
Yes. You cannot say just need because it is everyone. Okay, number 4. Someone
Incorrect.
Elena.
Has,
Incorrect.
has,
Has.
Yeah, it should be
Has.
has. So it is
Has.
incorrect. Incorrect. Should
Regarding
has. Okay, number
you.
5. Each plant in the garden appear healthy and strong. 5.
Incorrect.
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 Appears.
But appears.
Yes.
Appears.
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 Yeah, should be appears because each plant. So setiap tanaman. Number 6. You should understand that anything is possible.
Correct.
Correct.
Correct. Yes, it is correct. Anything is possible. 7. Everything in the salad are good for you.
Incorrect is good.
Incorrect.
Yeah, it's good for you. Everything in the salad is good for you. And 8. Nobody in the class have completed the assignment on time.
Correct. Plus have.
Incorrect.
Has.
Has.
Correct.
Has completed.
Yeah.
Plus
Nobody in the class has complete.
Has, yeah, has.
Incorrect.
Yes.
Should be has because
Has.
and nobody. Yeah, has completed. Number 9. I'm sure that every detail have been considered.
Incorrect. Has been.
Incorrect.
Yeah, it
Has
has
been.
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 Should be has been. So it is incorrect. Every detail and has. And then 10, last one.
Incorrect. Rules are
Correct.
Everybody knows.
Correct.
rules.
Everybody
Okay,
knows
so
the rules.
should be everybody knows, yeah. Everybody knows the rule, but somebody
Incorrect.
is not following. Yeah. Everybody knows.
Correct.
It is incorrect. Okay, good one, yeah. So seems like it is doable for you. No question, I guess.
Not yet.
Not yet. If not yet, we still got some of the exercise here. Okay, let me share it to you. Now it's your turn. To this exercise, each of the following, so it is still incorrect and incorrect, correct or incorrect. The exercise will cover skill 11 and 13. Okay, it's your time. You got your time and you will do it without my assistant. Okay, and we will discuss it later together. Has it finished?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. All right. Okay, let's see and discuss each other together. Number one, the receptionist in the entryway to the offices is able to answer your questions. So correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
Correct.
Incorrect is correct.
Someone said incorrect, someone said correct. The receptionist in the entryway to the offices is able to answer your questions. So what is the subject?
The receptionist
Receptionist.
Yeah, and the
is
is. Okay, receptionist is. So it's correct or incorrect?
correct.
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 Yeah, that's receptionist, so it is correct. All of the information in the documents are important.
Incorrect.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. Documents are correct.
Okay, all of the information. So what is the verb and subject?
Verb. Subject.
Yeah?
Verb.
The
All
verb
the
is.
information.
All
Okay,
of the
and the
information.
Okay, the thing that we talk about, we have all, we have information, we have documents. So we talk about the information here. Ya, all kan tadi tidak ada ya, verb untuk all, kita pakainya menggunakan objeknya. Nah, information here, all of the information. In the document, kenapa nggak pakai yang dokumen? Karena ini kan preposition. Preposition kita hapus saja. Jadi, all of the information are important. Oke, kita tarik lagi all of-nya, hilangin. The information is important. So it is incorrect. Informasi tidak bisa dihitung. We don't say informations, it's always information. Sesuatu yang tidak bisa dihitung. So this is important. Okay, number 3. Anyone in one of the classes has to take the final exam.
Correct.
Incorrect.
Correct.
Correct.
Someone
Correct.
said correct, someone said incorrect. So what subject we talk about here?
Anyone.
Anyone, okay. And then the verb has, yeah, it's obvious.
Yes.
Yes.
In one of the classes. Okay, so it's just the same as anyone has to take the final exam. So it is correct. Anyone has to. Okay, number 4. The coordinator of community services are arranging the program.
Incorrect
Incorrect.
is
Yeah. So it is yeah, not at, because we talk about the coordinator of the community service saja, the coordinator is arranging. So it is incorrect. And number 5. Most of the car are covered with mud.
incorrect is
Incorrect.
Correct.
Incorrect.
Is correct.
incorrect.
I am
Incorrect. So what's the subject here? The subject that we talk about.
The car.
Car.
The car.
The car. There's only one car. Satu mobil saja. And then the verb is are here. Harusnya pakai is. Most of the car. Jadi kebanyakan bagian dari satu mobil itu kan mobilnya cuma satu tuh kena lumpur. But the car is just one. Okay, number 6. Nothing more is going to be completed today.
correct.
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 Yeah, so it is the certain words ya, kata-kata khusus, nothing. And then we have is going to. So it is correct. And next, 7, the drinks in the pictures are pictures on the tables in the ballroom is for everyone.
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Why?
R for
The
everyone.
drinks.
Yeah, it's should be R ya. Drinks are for everyone. So minumannya banyak. Okay, so it should be incorrect. 8. Everybody were told to be here at 8, but somebody is not here.
Was told.
Yeah, correct.
Was incorrect.
Incorrect, yeah. Because it is everybody. Everybody was told to be was. And then 9. Some of the meetings at the conference are limited to 10 participants.
Correct.
Correct.
Correct. Because we have more than one meetings. You know, just
What are?
meetings. And then are. Number 10. Sauce on vegetables in the yellow bowl tastes really delicious.
Incorrect.
Correct.
Correct.
Okay, let's
Incorrect.
see the other.
Correct.
About
Correct.
someone said
Correct.
correct. The sauce. So which one is the subject and the verb that agree with each other?
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Okay, someone said incorrect.
Sauce.
See, we have the sauce, right? On the
Mm,
vegetable, in the yellow bowl. And what about the verb?
no.
Yes.
This.
Yes.
Yeah,
Test.
yeah, tastes. Tastes.
Test.
So we have to use yes.
Yes.
Tastes. So it is incorrect because it doesn't have S in the end. Tastes. The sauce on vegetable in the yellow bowl tastes really delicious. Incorrect. Okay. How many correct did you get, Mr. Dodi? How many?
7.
6.
7?
6. Yeah.
Someone said 6.
True. 7.
Oh, true 7.
Five.
True. Correct. 7 correct. Yeah, but it's easy one, yeah. It's at least it is obvious. Kelihatan jelas salahnya di mana. Okay. Right. I got a little exercise here on the website. Let's see. Okay. So it's still about the verb and subject agreement exercise. Now, okay. We'll find out. I'll follow your answer. Okay. And then there will be score counting. The total are 20. Okay, let's just do this exercise. Okay, number 1, choose the correct form of the verb here, yeah? And then this is the example, the sentence that we have to fill. His pants torn during the match. So it was A, B, C, or D. Was, is, were, or are.
Where? Where or are?
R.
When or are? Well,
Sama ya.
when
Tempatnya.
torn.
Are, where.
Okay, let's think about the match. Okay. Pertandingan biasanya itu pertandingannya tuh tadi.
Tadi udah lewat ya.
Ya.
Where?
Where.
Where?
Okay,
Where.
Okay, I'll follow you. I'll just click it. Yeah, that's
Is-
correct. Where. So it's not where ya. Where itu di
Where.
mana? Where.
Where.
Where?
Where.
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 Yes.
Oh,
Okay,
were.
the explanation. Some nouns are always considered as plural noun like pants. Pants, jeans, trousers. In a sentence, the main verb is in the past form. So the auxiliary verb should be in the past. Jadi kalau his pants, kenapa nggak are? Kalau kita menggunakan are, jadi seumur hidupnya, kesehariannya, celananya itu robek terus. Nah, gitu. Karena are itu menunjukkan kata yang berulang-ulang.
Berulang.
Sesuatu keseharian, ya. Terus-menerus. Kalau ini kan udah ada clue-nya, the match. Oh, pas pertandingan. Pasti pertandingannya udah tadi. Gitu. Jadi kita melaporkan, menceritakan sesuatu yang sudah terjadi. So, it is were. Yay! And the number 2, Aaron together with his wife, the guest of the party.
Are greeting.
Mhm.
Greets
Greet.
Greet.
with
Greet.
his wife. Greets.
Greet. B. Nggak ada B.
Are greeting.
Greets.
Greet or are greeting.
Okay,
Greet
so many
or are
different
greeting.
answers.
Are? No,
Many.
are.
Greets.
Okay, Aaron together with his wife.
Aaron. Together. Plural. Greets.
Are greeting.
Greets.
Greeting, someone say greeting.
Greeting.
Greets.
Greeting perlu
Someone
itu
say
kan? Perlu
Are
kan?
greeting.
Greets.
okay, someone say greets. Okay, Mr. Ari said greets. Miss Nurul, Miss Anna,
Are greeting.
okay, are greeting. Ibu Dewi, what about you?
Are greeting.
Are greeting, okay, to are
Greeting.
greeting, and then Mr.
Question.
Donald.
Are greeting.
Okay,
Are
are
greeting.
greeting. Mr.
Are
Narul, are
greeting.
greeting too?
Are greeting too.
Okay, so our greeting has the most voted.
Hey. Yeah, Mr.
What's
Ari.
wrong?
Congratulations.
Great. Yeah,
Greet.
good one. So we have explanation
No,
here.
are.
Multiple subjects are connected together with, so only the noun before it will affect the verb. Jadi kita hanya membicarakan are. Wife-nya tidak terhitung. Aaron dengan istrinya greets. Jadi kita masih membicarakan istrinya, but still hanya Aaron yang dicari verbnya. So it is greets. Okay. Together with his wife. Masih ingat ya with itu preposisi. Preposisi hukumnya sunnah.
Oh ya,
Bisa
dicoret aja ya.
dihilangkan. Berarti tetap Aaron kan?
Aaron.
Ya.
Aaron nih nggak kelihatan.
Aaron, this number 2 Aaron.
Iya, gara-gara preposisi ya. Jadi kita lanjut.
Ya. With Aaron, with his wife, from his wife to his wife. Nah, itu kan preposisi. Preposisi itu sunnah, jadi kita kalau coret nggak masalah. Okay, number 3 now. Tweezers, always useful to handle small objects.
Are. Double S kan tweezers.
Wish.
Are.
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 Okay, tweezers are, this one easy. Okay, good
Enggak.
one. Tweezer, yeah, because it's more than one, just S in the end, are. Okay, number 4, the jury.
Was.
Okay, what about the others?
Jury.
Was.
Was. Okay.
Was.
Looks like the most answer
Was.
is was, yeah.
Was
Was.
not.
Was. Yes.
Was not convinced. Convinced itu teryakinkan, nggak meyakinkan. Atau juri? Nah, juri tidak teryakinkan. Juri, yeah, juri is just only one, so yeah, it is was. And then number 5, the truthful, always trustworthy.
Is.
Is.
Truthful.
Truth.
Is.
Is.
Yes, okay. Is, yeah, most often the answer is, oh, the
Wrong.
truthful. Let's see what this is about. The subject of the sentence is an adjective which starts with the, so the verb will always be plural kind of situation.
The
Is
tuh
it the
banyak ya?
correct?
Yeah.
Oh,
The
yeah.
sentence is an
Situation.
adjective. The subject of the sentence is an adjective which started with the, so the verb will always be plural in this kind of situation. The truthful. Truthful itu, truthful it. So it is actually peribahasa di sini. Jadi agak, yeah, it's not actually in our situation of learning. The truthful. Truthful itu bukan noun, tapi truthful itu adjektif.
Truthful tuh
Karena
apa sih?
adjektif itu bukan
Kejujuran ya?
noun. Ya, eh kejujuran itu truthfulness.
Nggak bisa dihitung ya? Iya,
Truthful
DR.
itu jadinya apa? Truthful.
Ruler.
Gini. So it is actually in our TOEFL, but it's okay to let me just explain it a little bit about this. Jadi kan ada kata adjektif. Truthful ini adjektif ya, adjektif. Seharusnya yang dipasangkan dengan verb kan harusnya kan noun, noun.
Heeh.
Tapi kan ini peribahasa. Peribahasa yang menjadi noun atau menjadi subjeknya itu adalah sebuah adjektif. Itu kan bukan sesuatu yang biasa ya ketika adjektif menjadi sebuah subjek atau
Subjek.
noun. Jadi kita pakainya are. Sama seperti, saya kasih contoh yang mudah aja. Beautiful, beautiful kan adjektif. Terus ada noun, noun itu beauty. Nah, beauty is part of, for example, happiness. Ya. Nah, ini beauty kan noun, ya sudah noun itu bisa menjadi subjek. Berarti ini verb. Sedangkan beautiful ini kan beautiful kan bukan noun. Jadi dia tidak bisa menjadi subjek.
No
Karena
object.
peribahasa kan boleh apa saja, gimana saja bisa. Beautiful are happiness. Tuh, ini adalah adjektif. Don't worry.
Iya. Sependengaranku sih dulu itu the truth gitu. Perasaan ya kayaknya. Mungkin salah. The truth.
Yay, the truth. Yes. Truth. The truth
Yes.
is always
Is.
trustworthy.
The truth is.
Truthful, yeah. The truth is,
Ya,
the truthful is, yeah. The truthful are, sorry.
the truthful us. The truth is okay.
Ya, kalau
Oke, sama
adjektif
seperti
ya
beautiful,
are.
beautiful kurang enggak nih.
Berarti bukan
It's
the subject with the. Pusing.
okay, don't worry. You will not find this one in your question. But it is good to know that adjektif itu juga bisa menjadi noun atau menjadi subjek dalam peribahasa. And then 6, to cry. Okay, what is that? Never the solution to any problems. Menangis adalah solusi.
Or
Should never.
problem.
Cry should never.
Is.
Should.
Is.
Okay, someone said is. Ibu
Should.
Dewi?
Well,
Should.
Is.
Where? Someone said is. Mr. Asad? Mr. Adi?
Should.
Should?
Should.
Mr. Narotama, what about you?
Is ya.
When I.
Are?
Should.
Should? Mr. Dodi, what about you? You have any different answer? Is. Okay. The R2 is. Okay, let's see.
Tidak.
Is. It is.
Ah,
Why is
To
it?
cry.
problems. Try.
Okay, to cry is never the solution to any problem. To cry itu bisa diganti menjadi crying. Crying is never the solution. It's not a solution. To cry dan crying sama. Crying is never the solution. An infinitive is used to as the subject, so the verb should be singular here. Ya, ini bisa menjadi subjek dan verbnya singular is. Okay, number 7. A number of soldiers injured during the war.
Was.
Okay,
Banyak itu
itu tadi ada.
number.
Kita melihat a number atau
Was
soldiers di sini.
Number seorang
was.
Okay, was. Sama.
Was.
Oke, kebanyakan wasnya. Were.
Coba
Oke.
ya.
a number of
klik.
soldiers. Number satu
Berarti kan ada,
doang berarti.
kalau nggak number berarti ya soldiers
Kalau
ya
nggak
ini.
soldiers ya, soldiers lah.
A number of soldiers satu orang doang.
Oke.
Nomornya doang.
Right.
Was.
Saya kasih was. Oh,
What
were.
the?
Number of
Oh,
soldiers.
Banyak malah
Kita
ya.
berarti melihat
Soldiers.
soldiersnya ya di sini. Kita melihat soldiersnya. A number. Nanti di skill selanjutnya, bukan skill 11, 12, 13, di TOEFL bakal dipelajari ini. Number of soldiers.
Number is plural.
Soldiers
A
ya.
number of soldiers. Kita bakal belajar nanti di next skills. Don't worry. Oke, jadi yang kita lihat adalah soldiersnya. We will learn that. If not tomorrow, ya next week. Number 8. The number of the keys soldiers.
Pasti jebakan is lah.
The numbernya apa soldiers-nya ya?
The number of
The number is so they may not stop. Enggak.
Is.
May.
soldiers.
Oh,
Where not?
May Zulanya dulu.
It's not ya.
Okay,
Is.
someone said is.
The number is.
Were.
Where?
Where? Okay.
Where?
Is lah.
Someone
Coba
said.
ya, coba.
Yes.
Okay.
The number
Who should I?
is.
Okay, paling banyak is, so is. Okay, great. Wow.
Oh.
The number.
Yes.
The subject.
Yes.
Key soldiers is accompanied by the number of, which make it singular. Jadi beda ya tadi. This one a number, this one the number. Oh, cuma beda itu saja. Jadi is ada jadi were. A number of soldiers, the number of the kissed soldiers. Okay. And next one we will learn that. So I'll keep my explanation for the next skills. Number 9, pack of lions approaching the camp. Okay, we have lions.
Were.
Oh.
Lions.
Of
Lions. Where?
Where?
Were.
Where?
Were. Not
Okay.
where. Were.
Someone said, oh, really?
Where?
Oh my God.
Words.
Yes, look at that again. A pack.
Were.
So we see the a pack. Pack of lions is considered a singular noun, so the verb should be singular as well. Jadi kita melihat a pack. Satu kerumunan. Kerumunannya ada berapa? Ada satu. Ya udah, a pack of lions. Okay. We go to number 10 then. Before we back to our book. Killing, not always considered a bad thing. It's easy one.
Always ya, always itu.
Not always.
Killing. Crying.
Killing.
Was.
Sistemnya sama.
Was. Not was.
Was.
Okay.
Was.
Was, yes, was.
Yes,
Sama
benar.
seperti to cry, to kill, to cry, killing. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan kata to kill atau killing. Sama seperti tadi, to cry sama crying. Bisa, it's just changeable. Mereka bisa bergantian. Ya. Oke. That's a little insight and intermezzo about some of the examples that we have learned today. We still have one more thing to do here. Nah, this one. So the test, sorry. So the TOEFL questions about these materials will be in this form. Jadi bentuknya akan seperti ini, bukan yang just correct or incorrect, tapi seperti ini ya. Jadi di tes TOEFL kita tidak kita tidak ngisi apakah ini I atau C, I or C, correct or incorrect, tapi bakal seperti ini. Oke, now ini kan sudah ketemu subjek dan verbnya, kita lihat apakah mereka saling support satu sama lain. Let's do again. Nobody know when the process of glass making was invented. Which one? A, B, C, or D? Which one is incorrect?
Nobody knows.
A.
Nobody knows. Nobody
It's
knows.
not correct.
Ya,
Oh,
yang
yes.
knows ya.
Knows, yes.
Knows.
So it is A. Kita bisa tulis di sini A.
Oh.
Masih incorrect.
Karena semuanya incorrect semua. 10 sentence di sini semuanya incorrect. Dan kita cari bagian yang salah mana.
Oke.
And number 2. Sugars like glucose is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms.
A,
Sugars
likes.
are made.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Like di sini artinya seperti ya, bukan suka.
Oh.
Okay, what is it?
Are enggak?
R,
B.
B, B.
B ya. Okay. Sugarsnya, walaupun sugar itu tidak bisa dihitung, tapi dalam beberapa konteks, kita kembali ke konteks, sugar kan ada gula tebu, gula aren. Nah, itu kan macam-macam gula. Jadi kita bisa boleh bilang sugars. Water pun kita bisa bilang waters. Ada
Because
air kapur, air payau, air laut. Waters like sea, waters plain. Nah, macam-macam air kita boleh bilang waters. Sama seperti sugars. Karena macam-macam gula. Sekalipun gula itu tidak bisa dihitung. Okay, number 3. Part of the electricity used in the United States today come from hydroelectric sources.
Use. A.
B, today.
Today?
wait. Part of
Part of an
Okay, someone said use, someone said today. Yeah, what about the others?
comes. C.
Mm-hmm.
Comes. C.
Yeah, yes.
C,
Part of electricity. Part itu seperti setengahnya. So we talk about electricity. Listrik pasti tidak bisa dihitung. So it is comes. Yeah. And 4. The languages of the world presents a vast array of structural similarities and differences.
A, present.
Mhm. So what is the A?
Present.
Present.
Yeah,
Plural.
it is, yes, because the language is more than just one language, so we don't need S here, present. Number 4 is A. Okay, 5. The rise of multinationals have resulted in a great deal of legal ambiguity because of the multinationals can operate in so many jurisdictions.
A, has.
F.
A,
Rise.
A?
has result.
National.
Hash. Ya. A.
National.
Yeah, it is A because why? Why A?
Has
Kenapa harus
Has.
has?
the rice.
Oke, berarti
The
subjeknya
rice.
Singular.
rice, ya,
Rice.
Rice.
kenaikan. Okay, number 6. All the east-west interstate highways in the United States has even numbers, while north-south interstate highways has odd number. Even itu genap, odd itu ganjil.
Hmm.
Highway. What number?
Have.
C.
Has.
C.
A.
A.
Okay, so let's see the
Have.
subject.
Even.
C.
C.
B.
Okay, we got two clauses, right? We got two clauses. The first clause, all of the
Yeah.
east-west interstate highways in the United States has even numbers, while north-south interstate highways are odd numbers. So
Have.
think about it again. A, B, C, or D?
A.
C.
A, yeah.
Have.
So why? Because we
Wait.
Have.
Have.
Okay.
have, yeah.
Highway.
So what is the subject? What is the subject?
Have.
Highways.
Highways, yeah.
Highway.
Highways. Highways itu jalan tol. Jalan tolnya kan lebih dari satu. So we have.
Highway.
Okay. And then number 7. When a massive star in the large Magellanic Cloud exploded in 1987, a wave of neutrinos were detected on Earth. Easy. Obvious.
C. Was.
Yeah.
Was.
Because we have wave, right?
Yes, wave.
Okay, number 8. Some of the agricultural practices used today is responsible for fostering desertification. Easy.
Use.
Use.
E.
Enggak.
Let's see plural and singular.
Practice A.
R. C.
A and
Practice
R.
C.
C, ya, R.
some of A.
Okay. Some of the agricultural practices used today is responsible for fostering desertification. I'll give you a clue. Is it A or C?
A.
A. Some of the
C. R.
C.
Responsibility.
Some of itu is
Oh.
udah benar harusnya.
Where?
Okay,
C.
some of. Kita tidak melihat sum of ya. Sum ini kita
Yes,
cek. Okay. The agricultural practices used today is responsible for fostering desertification.
Agricultural practice.
Agricultural practice. R. C.
So yeah,
R.
ini bisa A, bisa C. Unfortunately, ini bisa
Ya elah.
Oh, ternyata. Bingung.
kesalahan memang bisa dua jawaban. Kita
Bisa
bisa
dua jawaban,
menjadi
makanya.
the agricultural
Practice.
practices are atau ini
Yes,
bisa menjadi practice is. Ya kan kita punya dua opsi kan? Subjeknya yang diganti atau verbnya yang diganti. Tapi ini masalahnya subjek dan verb ini ada pada satu pilihan yang sama gitu. Seharusnya kan nggak boleh. Ya, you know what I
Bonus.
mean, right?
Ya, bonus.
Harusnya kan salah satu yang diganti. Kita punya dua opsi. Oh, Kalau misalnya pakai is bisa, asalkan practices-nya ini diganti practice. Kita bisa ganti menjadi are. Practices are, ya kan? So
Tapi
this
enggak, itu
the error is on the question actually.
the agricultural itu kan dia jadi sub itu enggak, plural enggak? The karena dia pakai
Agricultural
the.
practices.
Iya.
Practices itu
Isi.
pelatihan,
Mm-mm.
pelatihan, pelatihan. Some of the agricultural pelatihan practices itu penggunaannya, penggunaan agricultural are responsible atau penggunaan agricultural is responsible. Okay, so the mistake on the question is that they give the option for verb and the subject. So ini bisa jadi A, bisa jadi C. Alright, number 9.
C. Is.
Every open space in the targeted area that has grass and few bushes are occupied by the white-crowned sparrow. Targeted A, B, C, or D again?
C. Maybe. Is.
Have, be,
Every open space. Let's see. Every that has an R.
Is.
So it should be is, ya. So it is C.
Every open is. C.
Every open space yang mempunyai grass, yang mempunyai rumput is. Nah, ditambahi dengan white-crowned sparrow, burung kakak tua. Okay, number 10. Krakatau is remembered as a volcano that put so much as into the air that sunsets around the world was affected for 2 years afterwards.
B. Puts.
Krakatawa.
The parts.
Put here, put ini dalam konteks past ya, masa lalu. So we cannot say puts karena Krakatawa kan erupsinya masa lalu.
pas
So
Has remember. No. A.
Okay.
Remember Krakatau. Remember.
Let's see. Kita lihat subjek
Was.
Remembering.
Krakatau is remembered. Remember tuh diperingati ya. Is remembered. Apakah Krakatau bisa mengingat? Yang bisa mengingat itu manusia. Yang diingat Krakatau. Krakatau diingat.
D.
Someone said D. Someone said B. Let's see. Krakatau is remembered. Benar. Karena Krakatau satu. Is remembered? Yes. Krakatau berarti yes. As vokal nada put. Put tidak ada masalah di sini. Malah kalau pakai puts, masalah. Karena ini konteksnya zaman dulu. Puts, put. So much as into the air that sun sets. Let's see sunsets. How many sunsets do we have? Ini maksudnya tuh mataharinya bukan satu, tapi sunsetnya itu berulang-ulang di hari ini. Ada sunset.
Where?
It's effect.
Where? Yes, where.
Sunset.
So it is C.
Sunset clue-nya, yes.
Where?
Kita juga lihat materi di sini. Beruntungnya, karena kita masih tahu dalam konteks apa pertanyaan ini, kita kan bisa melihat, oh ini masalah tentang subjek dan verbnya. Subjeknya apakah berapa, satu atau dua, atau lebih, berarti verbnya harus gini. Oke? Ini subjeknya untuk sunset, dan verbnya seharusnya pakai verb. Oke? That's it. Do you have any questions so far? I don't think you have any questions. Okay, let's see. Okay. So we got TOEFL review scale 1 until 13. Wow. So scale 1 until 13 is first scale until this scale, until today's scale. It can be your
Homework.
exercise or a homework. Yes, just one, this one. So the total is 10 questions. So it's just 10 question, optional, pilihan ganda, and then also this one, looking for the mistake. Yeah, that will be your assignment or the homework. We will discuss it later. Tomorrow. Because tomorrow we still have class. And don't forget to join the class as well for tomorrow. And today, I'll thank you for joining the class. We'll see you again tomorrow on Thursday. And for now, see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.